Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a shortcut or keyboard shortcut, or a keybind as Discord likes to call it, for your Discord user. So let's go ahead and hop into user settings and then go to keybinds. So they do call it keybinds, but you can also call it shortcuts like Command Tab or Control Tab if you're a Windows user. That helps you have another tab when whatever browser you're in, or Command Q quits out of your applications, all those different kinds of things. So I'm going to go ahead and add a keybind, and we have some other custom keybinds that we can do stuff for. So we can do it for streamer mode, navigating back, switching a voice channel. I'm going to have it be push to talk because that's pretty standard. So now I can choose what keybind I want it. We don't want it to be something that there's already a keybind for. So I'm going to have this be Command D because I know that one doesn't. So when I hit record keybind, I'm going to press the two buttons that are the keybind, and then we should have it set. So I'm going to click record keybind. All right, I did Command D, and you can see that it is toggled on, so it will work when we are in push to talk mode within a Discord voice channel. But that's how you go ahead and set up a keyboard keybind or a keyboard shortcut for your Discord user. There are a bunch of other ones that you can set them for, but this is just a simple how-to. If you wanted to toggle this off, you could toggle it there. You can also click the X to get rid of it altogether. But I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more Discord tutorials in the description down below.